What is up, YouTube? Ruben here today. I am riding Los Angeles Metro 4003. It's a 2015 New Flyer XN40. And today I am on the 854 and I'm taking this bus from Del Mar Station all the way to Sierra Madre Villa Station. We're going to be on Raven Avenue and we're going to turn right on Holly Street. The first stop is Memorial Park Station, and that's a stop for Memorial Park, Armory Center for the Arts, and City Hall. The next stop is Lake Station, and that's the stop for Gateway Plaza, Lake Avenue Church, and there's another stop that is related to, I can't remember the name of it, Paseo, Colorado, there we go, Paseo, Colorado. Now turning left on Marengo Avenue. We're going to be on Marengo Avenue and we're going to turn right on Walnut Street. Now we just turned right on Walnut Street. We're going to be on Walnut Street and we're going to turn left on Lake Avenue. This is the first Gold Line shuttle event of 2019. Today is March 23rd, 2019. We're now in the Playhouse District in the city of Pasadena. The last shuttle event that I did is the Metro Green Line between Crenshaw and Redondo Beach. And before that was the Gold Line shuttle event between Fillmore and Southwest Museum, which already uploaded footage on late February. Now turning left on Lake Avenue. We're now approaching Lake Station. For those who board the westbound, it's going to be at the same boarding area. We're now at Lake Station. The next stop is Allen Station. Now, the last time I did on that shuttle event for October 14th, I did not do much of the eastbound, but I digress. But anyway, we're going to be on Lake Avenue. We're going to turn right on Villa Street. Now turning right on Villa Street. We're going to be on Villa Street and we're going to turn right on Allen Avenue. I'll ring the bell when we get to Sierra Madre Villa. We're at Wilson Avenue right now. We're heading to Allen Avenue. If you watch my art night footage, I am currently using the app called Smart Recorder, and that gave us like sound distortion. And gives us low quality too. We're at Hill Avenue right now. Right here, we got Jefferson Park. We also got Jefferson Elementary School. Now turning right on Allen Avenue. We are now approaching Allen Station. We are now arriving at Allen Station. The last stop is Sierra Madre Villa Station. Now turning left on Walnut Street. We're going to be on Walnut Street and we're going to make a slight left on Photo Boulevard. Now making a slight left on Photo Boulevard. We're going on Photo Boulevard and we're going to turn right on Halstead Street. I'll ring the bell when we turn right on Halstead Street. Right here you got the Chevron gas station. You also got the Goodwill Distribution Center. Right here we got the Starbucks coffee at San Gabriel Boulevard. We're now following the Pasadena Transit 31. We got the Treasure Fair thrift store, which has been remodeled. We also got the 76, and right far away from where I am right now at Fodell and Sierra Madre Villa, I am seeing Best Buy. So we're still heading to Sierra Madre Villa right now. I'll go ahead and pause it. Once the bus gets the green light, I'll resume the video or audio recording. Go ahead and ring the bell now.
Your safety. Watch your step when exiting the bus.
Now turning right on Halstead Street. We're going to be on Halstead Street, and we're going to turn right to get access to Sierra Madre Villa Station. And that's it. That is a ride on Los Angeles Metro 4003. It's a 2015 New Flyer XN40. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And also follow me on Twitter at RubenUpAtECO17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. Alright then. Please remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.